In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to ExpressVPN. We'll go from opening the official order page all the way to confirming that the VPN is active on your device. To keep everything secure, make sure you do this directly on the official ExpressVPN website and not through third-party links or unofficial marketplaces. Start by opening your preferred browser on desktop or mobile. In the address bar, type expressvpn.com/order and press enter. This will take you to the secure checkout area where you can choose your plan. Once you're on the order page, take a moment to review the available subscription options. You'll typically see plan tiers such as Basic, Advanced, and Pro. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. After that, select your billing cycle. Shorter plans can be useful if you only need coverage for a limited time, while longer plans usually offer a lower monthly cost and may include extra promotional months, making them the better value for long-term use. Next, scroll down to the section where you enter your email address. Click into the field and type a valid email that you actively use. This is important because it will be tied to your account and used for sign-in, account communication, and future verification if needed. Double check it before moving on. From there, continue to the payment section and choose your preferred payment method. Depending on your region and device, you may see options like credit card, PayPal, mobile wallet such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, or cryptocurrency through BitPay. Select the option you want, complete the required payment details, and then click the main purchase button, which may say Join Now or Complete Purchase. If your bank or payment provider asks for additional verification, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish checkout. After the payment is successful, you'll be prompted to create your account password. You can use the suggested secure password or create your own strong one, then save it. After that, go to expressvpn.com/sign-in and log in using your email and the password you just created. Inside your dashboard, look for the setup area labeled Set Up Your Devices. In that section, you'll find your activation code. Copy that code because you'll need it to sign into the app. Now click Download and get the version that matches your device. Open the installer, follow the setup prompts, and launch the app when it's ready. Choose Sign In with activation code, paste the code you copied, and continue. Finally, connect to the recommended smart location by pressing the main power button until the app shows a green protected status. To verify everything is working, open a private or incognito browser window. Go to expressvpn.com/whatismyip and confirm that the displayed IP address and location match the VPN server you connected to. Once they do, your subscription is active and your setup is complete.